Hello everyone, I'm Yash Patel and welcome to my channel Django World. So in today's video we are going to see that how we can display the error message or success message on login page. Alright, so to do that, first we have to go to the views.py which is present in accounts.py. Now here, if you remember, we have edited this line, right? So we are going to display the same error in the HTML page. Okay, so here let's go to HTML page of the login, and in here we have to write the HTML code to display the message. Okay, so here we can say if messages. Okay, so if we have message, then div class equals to um, container and empty hyphen 3. Okay, then for we can say message in messages. Okay, and here I can say div. Here I can say class equals to um, alert alert hyphen mm, message dot tags, and we can say alert hyphen dismiss disable paid show. Okay, so these classes will allow us to cancel out the alert, and it will slowly fade away the alert. Okay, basically we can say animation type, right? Okay, then we have role equals to alert. After that, in this div tag we can say message. Okay, button, and in button it is going to be type equals to button. Then we can say class equals to btn hyphen close. Okay, so I don't think so we need this btn class, right? Btn hyphen close, and we can say data hyphen bs hyphen dismiss equals to alert. Okay, then we can say area label is going to be close with capital C, and I think this should be it. Okay, and let's go. I'll just run the server. Okay, python manual.py run server. I'll just go to the Chrome, refresh, log out. Let's try with some fake username and ID. Okay, so you can see we have um this. I mean, yeah, of course we are getting the error, but it is not displaying as we want. So here in Django, we need to do one thing, that we need to actually tell Django that if we get any error message, use danger class for the bootstrap. Okay, so we need to go to settings, and here we need to import from Django dot contrib dot messages import constants as messages. Okay, then let's go ahead over here. After the static settings, we can say message underscore tags equals to create a dictionary, and you will say messages dot error equals to danger. Not danger, not equals to, actually danger. Okay, save, save this, come to Chrome, refresh. It should work. Hmm, why? Let me look to the code back. It's danger. Messages dot error. Yeah, this is correct. It's message underscore tags. That's correct. Then says something wrong over here. Hmm. M2. Okay, it's M. Sorry for that. Uh, Go to the Chrome back, refresh. You can see we got this. Okay, I have also made some mistake in classes. I mean, it's not doing well. Okay, let me go to this back. Here it's going to be I. Okay, save. Oops, Control Z, save. Let's go back to the Chrome, refresh. Now it's good. I think we can remove this container class. I think so. It would be good. Refresh, continue. Yeah, now it's displaying properly, right? You can see this is aligning the fields. Okay, so here if I go ahead and register with admin and admin, and if I log out, okay, let me go to the use.py. Okay, so if user successfully logs out, we can say uh, messages dot success request, and we can say you have successfully logged out. Save. Uh, Let me log in. Admin, log out. You guys successfully logged out. It's in a green color. And if I try to log in with admin at admin.com and admin password. Okay. So yeah, here's the catch. So let me just open the private browser and I'll say I mean 120/admin. Okay, so here I need to go to users and I need to actually assign this admin a email. So I can just delete these two things, these two users actually. Just say delete, go. Yes, I'll go to admin and here I can write email ID admin.com and I'll just save it and I'll log out from here, close this one. I'll say admin@admin.com and the password is going to be admin, and if I log in, I'm logged in. Okay, so I hope you got idea about the error message which we are displaying on the login screen. So yeah, this is it for today's video guys. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in next one. Thank you.